barista champion from Adelia Co-op. She's very passionate partner and very dedicated. She's been with us for 1 year, and from that time, she has already made a remarkable impact in our district. In fact, she loves playing guitar and sketching, and she loves making stunning latte art. And last year, she earned the title of District Latte Art Champion for Barsha. I know you're gonna do 100% commitment for this competition, just pour your heart